please give your introduction.
So I am Shubham and we are building a D2C brand in sustainable and eco-friendly niche. So I will start from beginning. So how I started this brand. So from I started this brand last year only in February month with my sister and we were initially started as a generic brand like selling block prints, dohar, kaftans. Then after I did some market research by my own by going in exhibitions and I also did online research through keyword. So this is how I started my journey.
Why did you like? What problem are you solving?
I am trying to solve problem of artisans by making a transparent ecosystem. Let's say in Jaipur there are lots of artisans, but they don't know how to list their products online. They have income problem, they have transparency problem. Lot of factory owners exploit them. So we are building a end-to-end marketplace. Right now, we have started as a D2C brand, but my long-term vision is to build a global platform for the artisans.
And how much revenue you currently have?
Currently, we are in pre-revenue phase, so I am telling you honestly, I am I am doing business development by my own by reaching out through Apollo, LinkedIn, and by doing cold mail to investors.
Have you received any funding till now?
No, I didn't receive, but I'm looking for funding.
How much funding are you looking for?
I'm looking for as much money possible.
Still, there must be some amount, right?
Right now, I'm looking for 30 lakhs. I will tell you breakdown of it. Out of 30 lakhs, I need 10 lakh for R&D and product development, 10 lakhs for marketing, and 10 lakhs for building operations activity.
Okay.
Like,
Like,
yeah, you ask me. So, guys, this is our first podcast. So, we are kind of figuring out how to make it. So, this is unscripted podcast. So, we will keep it very raw.
जरूरत नहीं थी इसकी. Okay, so like, are you currently incubated somewhere?
Yeah, right now we are incubated in Bhamasha Techno as we are in the conference room. So, there is no doubt about that.
So how has your experience and how much your technology?
To be honest, if I tell you, the experience is very good, I can say, in terms of onboarding their process, but it is kind of messy for the beginners if they are applying. So it might be possible that they will not like the onboarding process. But it is too good for the means if you want to develop something from Jaipur and you are looking for investors, VCs, then you can definitely explore this option. It's up to you, means there are a lot of resources in this world. How you utilize it, it depends upon the end user. So government is providing incubation, product support, market support, but the thing is how you utilize it. So in my case, I am also not utilizing at it full potential, but I am trying my level best to use it. I am looking for grant also. So I tried multiple places like I tried at Rajasthan University and I am waiting for I start Rajasthan grant also.
So what things or uh, like do Bhamasha Techno, you know, provide you when you incubate here?
So it provide lot of things like they provide mentorship, product development support, government tender support. If you need any help in procurement or you just need to ideate your first idea, then you can definitely come here. You can validate your idea. So they have something called curate system in which they basically rate your idea on the behalf of few parameters like TAM, SAM, SOM, market size, USP of your business model.
And do they also provide funding?
They do provide funding, but it depends upon the sector. Means in like in tech, they are mostly prefer tech as per my knowledge.
Tech as in?
Tech as in means you are some building like SaaS, software as a service, or any AI product in which tech is integrated.
Okay. So, what's next? Like, what's your, do you have a plan in mind on how you will build your startup and how many employees do you currently have? And tell us what has your journey been so far.
So right now I don't have means employees, but we have intern. So one intern is remote and one of my friend whose name is Rohit, so he's working full time in government. So right now we don't have big team, and my GTM strategy is to launch a brand on my website on marketplace like Amazon, Meesho, Etsy, and very soon we are also going to build a ecosystem for these artisans. So, when we started entrepreneurship, so we don't have answers in the first attempt. People, I'm trying to be here very raw. If you are aspiring means I am also one or two step ahead than you, whoever is watching this video. But I will suggest you very honest thing today that focus on building your MVP in just 2 weeks because I spent almost 3 to 4 months in my first MVP. So I will genuinely recommend those whoever who wants to become entrepreneur, builder, or who wants to do something big in their life. So I will suggest them that focus on creating your MVP in 2 weeks and just ship everything on every single day. Build products, fail fast. There is a proverb called fail fast, learn fast. So I was kind of a person who always do lot of analysis. So I am also trying to convey new entrepreneurs that don't over analyze your first idea. Just take the first step. Everything will come along the way.
And so, what's your plan on getting? I mean, uh, have you?
Right now, I am focusing on like next month I am going to exhibitions in Delhi, and apart from this, I am also reaching out through LinkedIn. Initially, when I started, I basically reached out through LinkedIn only. Right now, I am doing learning some AI automation also for sales so that I can reach out to buyers. My right ICP, ideal customer profile. So I am kind of right now in figuring out phase for finding buyer because if I have answers, then I will be sitting in Y Combinator.
But you must have some plan, right? How to get sales?
For the sales part, I have made plans. I have also reached out through me cold mails to embassies. The problem is customers are not converting.
Why they're not converting? Is it problem from their end or your end?
It's from my end only because I look for big POs, big purchase orders. So this is from my end only.
But if you, what about like what you still have must have some plan, right? I mean,
Mm.
if you not get sales, then how will you survive as a startup?
Yeah, I know sales is the non-negotiable skill for every founder, but I am kind of trying my best in order to get some.
Like, how many months of runway do you have?
I don't barely have 6 month runway maximum. I have.
So what happens after that? If you don't get six sales in 6 months, then what?
Actually, I'm trying to raise funds also from outside. I'm reaching out to investors, VCs.
If you're not able to get funds and sales in 6 months, then what will happen? What will you do? Will you still continue doing this or will you do something else?
I will definitely do entrepreneurship by hook or crook because
Do something as in, will you be still working on this idea or will you go?
it depends upon because I cannot say because nobody even if we talk about big IPO guys like Japto guys or the Zomato
Okay,
guys. So no,
but you're not
no, I cannot predict.
you're not talking about them. No, we're talking about you. You said you have 6 months of runway.
Mm,
So if after that you
mm,
don't have any money left,
mm.
then what will you do? Will you be still building this idea or will you work on something else? Simple question.
I will definitely pivot also in case don't if I don't have curiosity in long term.
Okay, got it.